In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video quality on Amazon Prime Video, which can be a useful skill whether you're looking to save on data or prefer high definition content for those action-packed movies and shows. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate through the Prime Video library to find the movie or series you're interested in watching. There's a wealth of content available, so take your time and choose something that suits your mood. Once you've made your choice, click on the title to open it up. This will take you to the main page for that specific film or show. Now, the next step is to begin playback, so go ahead and click the play button. This will start the video, allowing you to adjust the settings you need. Now, while the video is playing, hover your cursor over the video stream. This should make a menu or a small overlay appear on your screen where various options are displayed. Look for the settings or options icon, which usually resembles a gear. Click on that and it will open up a menu where you can configure different playback settings. It's here where you'll find the video quality options you can select from, often categorized as good, better, or best. If you're on a slower internet connection or want to make sure you're not using too much data, choose a lower video quality setting. Conversely, if you have a strong internet connection and want the sharpest, most detailed picture, opt for the highest quality available. Make your selection by clicking on your preferred quality setting, and the video should automatically adjust to the new quality option. And there you have it. You've successfully learnt how to change video quality on Amazon Prime Video. Remember, choosing the right quality can help enhance your viewing experience and manage your data usage when necessary. It's a handy little adjustment that can make a big difference in how you enjoy your favorite shows and movies. If you experience any buffering or issues, consider switching back to a lower quality setting to ensure smoother playback. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your next binge session.